Alright guys, we're back at the block in Orange, visiting the Nike factory store. It's the weekend with the 20% off entire store. So there's a line to wait. It's like about 20 minutes. Alright guys, it's about 30 minutes waiting. So we are in front of the line. Alright guys, we're back in Nike. We're gonna look at some clothes, see if they have anything on sale. Alright guys, I'm just gonna check really quick in the clearance. The 49er jersey for Kerry Kittle in size small. 49er fans, this is regular price but with additional 20%. You still have these jerseys from last time I was here. Just checking more hoodies, you guys. Checking more. We do have these Air Jordan tees like we saw last time. White, some random stuff in between. This hoodie, Clippers. The polos, more jerseys, you guys. More polos and JDITs. Alright guys, we're at the bigger size 13s. We have these, the Lunar Finger Trap, 39. A couple of big more things. You have a couple of these Tune Air or the Max Plus. Right. You have these Deion Sanders, a couple of the Mars 270, more of the Deion's. Both of these 11.5s. Yeah. Just checking this one. Jordan Hybrid. What is this? Oh, that's the fadeaway. Okay. ECG Soon 130. This one's here. Okay. I was trying to see if they still have that clock one from last week. For 79, it was all dirty. So it looks like they sold that one. So these Jordan Photo Max 720s. This is my size, 150. Man, that's so expensive. That's here, 11.5. We have these Kilo Shot OGs. Tennis shoes, $64.99. And right next to it, we have the ACGC Heroes. Retail price though. And you still have these Air Max 90 specials, you guys. So they've been sitting here for about a week now. Now we're at the 10.5s. I have these Air Force mids. It's like retail price minus discounts. I have these PG 4s. Gatorade. Size 10.5s. Retail price. Alright guys, we have these LeBron 17 lows. Size 9. Retail price though. We have these Nike ID in Kyrie 6. Crazy colorway, you guys. 160. Nike by Francisco. Alright guys, and they still have these John Elliott in the fuchsia pink. For tulip pink. 200 minus 20%. Getting down to the lower sizes, like size 8, we have these Air Max 95. Air Max Essentials, 79 bucks. With this colorway, guys. And you still have these Joyrides. And a couple of Element 55s. Alright guys, we have these LeBrons in the 5.5s. More than an athlete. And we have these triple white Air Max 95s, 160. And then they have the Kyrie 6 in size 7. Alright guys, just a quick look at the SBs, Janoskis, SB Zooms. Guys, and we still have these, the Atmos Air Max 2s. 119, so they went down 10 bucks. And right next to it, we still have the Air Max 90s, 80 bucks. Alright guys, they have these tailwinds here. Another tailwind. And we have these Blazer mids in this red colorway. Quick look at the Air Max 95s in the aisles. You have these black electric green. And you have these black and team orange. We're at the one big sizes. We have these Air Force Ones, women. Sage low, retail price. It just has a bigger midsole, you guys. We're just going down in sizes in the women. Just looking at what points out. We have these Vapor Max 360s. Retail price. Smaller sizes. Air Force One Sage Low, size 8. We have these Nike IDs. And the smaller size in women, we have these Air Max 95s, SE. 70 bucks, so not bad. We have these Joyrides, are really small. And Nike Soft Enigma. Let's go check the kids sizes. We're looking at the kids, they have these foam sights. Little foamy, 129. Cortez Basics, $44.99. Really funky, looks like a Halloween colorway. It has bats and everything else. You have the Kyrie at the bottom. Kyrie 6, you guys, $79.99. Again, they have more of those 98 Halloween. 80 bucks. Giannis, soon 3 points. Got these Air Max 95s. Have a Nike date. 29 bucks. 8C. You have these Converse Infant. So $24.99. Just like the outlet in Sacramento, they have the Air Force One Modern Athlete, $54.99. And we still have these from last week. These are the Air Max 90 Undefeated Collab. So for your little hype beasts, right there. Just checking the women's aisle, they have these Air Max 95 in this desert sand metallic gold. Pretty good price. And the 97s in triple white. More 97 and 49ers, 98s. 98s. And if you guys are looking for the Forrest Gump Cortez, the OG, they have them here. Retail price, but 20% off. So it's like 56 plus if you have the Nike Plus 20%. So it's like 40 bucks. Looks like they have the new Air Suit. Let's see this one. Air Suit BB Max 180, size 12. Like someone returned it. And just a quick check for kids. You have these tees, more tees and kids. They do have an extensive Jordan 1s. For the kids, they do have LeBron jerseys. These are the Swingman jerseys. It is the Swingman, so it's like a sticker printed on the jersey. Let me check the pricing. It's 70 bucks, you guys. Just checking more boys. You have these pants that we saw last time. Tees for $14.99. Pretty good. And of course, they have like clearance items, you guys. Raincoat. Pretty. Jackie Robinson. Dodgers. There it is. 135. And Dodger fans, now they have the blue, Dodger blue with LA Dodgers printing. They have these jerseys with LA. And of course, just for the A's, Angels, we do have this all red with the Angels, the halo. Just checking more apparel, you guys. You have these jerseys, and then of course the matching warm-ups. $59.99 from $80. Let me just check pricing for your jerseys. $50, so $34.99. Alright guys, let's call it. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me at another Nike outlet at the Block, the Nike Factory Store. It's the second weekend of August. They're having the 20% off entire purchase promotion. And if you have the Nike Plus ID, you do have an additional 20% off on top of that. And along with any other like discounts on top of any items that you purchase. So there wasn't a lot of heat today's vlog, but there are a lot of shoes and apparel, you know, really great price. So if you guys are looking for new items for the summer, can't beat that. All right guys, thank you again for subscribing. Please comment, like, and share down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I do try to release a video, like 1 or 2 videos a week regarding like Nike outlets. All right guys, thank you again. Until the next video, peace.